Omegle has been shut down in 2023 and you can't use it anymore. So after the Omegle shutdown, the new website are online now. So in this video, I will talk about that website. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, open your browser and in Google search Omegle Web. Then you will see omegleweb.com. Click on that and open new Omegle. It will check your connection, then automatically open new Omegle. Now you can see it's opened. You can see this new interface on new Omegle. You can add interest like called Omegle. After that, click on video to start chat. Now allow your camera. Now you can enjoy new Omegle. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.